What's up everyone? I'm Josh, head educator here with Hairlocs. Today I am here with my beautiful model, Marie. So Marie, have you worn hair extensions before?
No, I have not.
You have not. So what are some things that you personally struggle with your own hair?
I would say I struggle with volume and length a lot. Like, even though I have curly hair, I just would like more body and dimension, I guess.
Awesome. So today we are going to be addressing all of those issues that she has using our Hairlocs curly textured wefts. So the two textures that we are going to be going in with are our ATC and AMC. So those are tight curl and medium curl. Anytime I'm doing curly extensions, I don't just go for one curl texture because natural curl has different dimension to the curl texture. So I like to mix the two, that way you have a little bit of a softer curl and a slightly tighter curl. Now, since her hair is black and these are slightly lighter, I did go in and custom color our wefts prior to this. That way they blend nicely in with her own natural hair. So, are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, me too. So let's jump into it. Starting off, to prep for our new wefts, I'm going to create nice, clean sections. Being clean and consistent with my sectioning will result in a successful installation and will eliminate the possibilities of discomfort for the client. For my bottom row, I'm starting with the AMC or medium curl weft, followed by the ATC or tight curl weft. Mixing the two will result in a more dimensional and natural looking curl pattern. After installing, I brushed out Marie's hair and misted her natural hair and extensions with water and diffused lightly with a blow dryer. Doing this assures her natural texture and the extensions are blending seamlessly. Hairlocs offers a wide variety of colors and textures for an amazing price. And the best part is that we don't require you to be certified to buy our hair. Head over to hairlocs.com to start shopping. All right, guys, so we have finished our full curly weft install on Marie. And after I installed everything, I spritzed her hair down with a little bit of water, put a little bit of hydro oil in. And after I installed all of our wefts, I sprayed her hair with a little bit of water, added a little bit of moisture oil, diffused it, that way it could bring her natural curl in together with the curls of her new extensions. Marie, are you excited to see your new hair?
Yes.
All this hair.
Yes. Oh my God, I love it.
Look at all that hair.
So much more.
Yeah, much more
I'm so
volume,
happy.
more
Oh my
body.
God. I love it.